Alright, I've sewn my crown to the brim up to this point. Okay, I want to just end it right here. So I just take the needle through like this, and can you see the thread? I just take the needle into it like that 2 times, then I pull to secure. I just repeat on that same point. Take my needle into the thread hole and I tap. Okay, so I just cut off the excess thread. Okay, now we're going to open this middle part up. We won't leave it like that. And then someone will ask, why do we have to cut off this part? It is required for you to sit properly in your head. In art making, it is actually required. Whatever type of hat you're making, the middle part should relax well, so that this is where the edge will stay. You understand? So it has to fit. And that way, to make it fit, we need to take this off. So just trim it off. So when you're trimming this off, I'm trimming it off and giving it an allowance. Can you see it? Let me bring it close to you. So I'm giving it about 1/4 inch. All right, I'll give it about 1/4 inch. Yes, I want it very close to the crown because I'll be covering that part with my bias strip, and I wouldn't want any rough edge or any rough parts to be visible. So I'm just cutting it a little bit away from the edge of the crown. I'm just cutting it and giving that allowance, a little allowance away from the edge of the crown. So please be careful on this part as well, so you don't cut through the main net. Any mistake will require you starting all over again, and I know you won't want to do that. Next step is to cover this inner part with bias like this. So when you are covering it, make sure that it covers the part that you have the thread showing. Okay, that is why I said when you are cutting your net, make sure it moves closer to the edges of the crown. So you know this cutting bias strip is not too wide, so you can just place it on it and like this, and it will cover every part here. So I'll just apply my glue like this on the bias strip. So I'm going to start placing it on it round like that. I'm just going to glue my bias round like that up to this point. So I've gotten to the point I started from. You're going to allow it overlap, okay, just like we did the other time. So just cut off the excess, like this, and you allow it overlap on it like that. Please apply pressure, take your time, apply pressure, it is required. Now you're going to place our bias strip around it as well here, okay, to cover the thread. You just take it round like that. So I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram at Dolly Crafties. Follow and like our page on Facebook and Instagram to cover it like that round. Can you see? I'm going to place my bias like that round like that. I'm starting from the back of the art, as you can see. Just place it like that round to cover the edges round. And the next step is for us to attach our Alice band. Now the final step is to attach Alice band. You can place your hat on your mannequin head or your head to be sure where you're placing your Alice band. I've used this Alice band before, please don't mind me. So I will just place it this way. I'll be using my hot glue to fix it. But before that, I have this piece of scuba fabric that I want to use to cover my Alice band and the part I'm going to fix it. So what I'll do is I'll just fold one part, just fold one side in like that, and just do a cut here. So just cut it like that, fold this in here, cut it like that. Just make sure it is straight. So our Alice band is going to be sitting inside. Can you see? That way to make it relax very well.